Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make all natural apple juice that I'm going to be juicing. It's crazy because I usually juice in the mornings, but I've never actually just straight up juiced apples. It's always mixed with something else, and today I was just so pleasantly surprised. So you want to take the little strippy things off and make sure you wash your apples up nice and good because, we're not cooking this, so you don't have time to kill any bacteria that may be lingering. So I do wash these up with some vinegar for like, a couple minutes or whatever, and then they're good to go. Now, honey, I don't have the best juicer on the planet or the most expensive, so I do chop my apple just a little bit to help out my machine. However, if you have a more advanced, a more expensive juicer, then just throw your whole apple down in there, especially if your apples are like small like mine's. But I had to help my machine out, so I chopped it into quarters. So now we're just going to get the juice in. And basically you just juice. Follow the directions on the back of on your juicer and you're good to go. Actually, I'm using the low setting right now. I feel like the high setting is a little too much, so I'm using the low setting. What I do like about this juicer is it's minimal pulp, like it's minimal. So I really like that. So once once the first batch is done, I take the foam off the top. Now some people like the foam, some don't. I don't, so I get it off the top just like this. And then I pour it into my mason jar and just repeat the process. Look how good this looks, you guys. No artificial flavoring or coloring. But like I said, I just repeat the process and then I'll show you guys what that looks like. Lastly, what I do is I add the juice of 2 lemons to this just to top it off, give it an extra little punch. You do not need any sugar added to this. It was sweet enough. And all I did was pour it over some ice, and I had it with my lunch today, and it's so good. So if you guys enjoyed this juicing recipe, let me know what you think down below. And what's your favorite fruit to juice? Let me know that too. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, you guys.